एक ज़माने में सिल्क रूट एक कनेक्टिंग पॉइंट था तिब्बत एंड चाइना इंडिया के साथ. Once upon a time, this is the ancient trade work network connecting India with the Tibet and China. This is the Silk Route is located at Zuluk, and this you have to go to the Silk Route with zigzag roads. How to travel here? If you are into the Mumbai, because I am traveling from Mumbai, you need to go to Calcutta or Howrah. So you can go by the train, you can go by the flight, whichever is convenient to you. And in case if you're going by the flight, get down at Calcutta airport and go to the Howrah to catch the other train. So हावड़ा से आपको जाना पड़ेगा एनजेडी. एनजेडी मतलब न्यू जलपाईगुड़ी. आपको यहाँ सेल्दाना से भी स्टेशन से भी जा सकते हो. You can have the flexibility of traveling from either flight, either by train, but end of the day you need to go to New Jalpaiguri, not Jalpaiguri. So, and from there you can take a taxi. We traveled to Siliguri. From the Siliguri, we wanted to go to Rishikola. From the Rishikola, we wanted to go to Silk Route. Now, Rishikola is basically located between West Bengal and Sikkim. One side we have the Darjeeling and another side we have the Sikkim. The calm river flowing beside you. We stayed here in homestay. Honestly, it is the perfect place to relax. After a long journey, we stayed in homestay in Kalimpong. It is a quiet hill town known for its peaceful vibe and stunning viewpoint. Everything is here is quiet, soft. Mountains looks very mysterious and dreamy, and sound feels everything is muted. We feel that we are inside the clouds, nothing is moving apart from just sky. We are leaving from the Kalimpong. You are packing and everything now. Yep, try to going to the Zuluk village along with the Silk Route. So from here the journey start to Silk Road. On the way we stopped in the Rishikola river, and as well as on the way finally we entered Sikkim. After Rishikola, we head towards the Padmachin. On the way, we stop at beautiful waterfall. We are all really enjoyed this place because some places do not look beautiful. They make you feel alive, and this waterfall one of them. All the youngsters and adults, everybody try to take the photographs, try to enjoy everyone. Crystal clear water surrounded by hills and forest, extremely peaceful and less crowded. That is what it's really made this waterfall very special. अभी हम लोग फाइनली पद्मचेन, ए स्मॉल क्वाइट विलेज में पहुंच गए. एंड इट्स वेरी स्मॉल village near Zuluk because that is closer to Silk Route. What I like about this place is the homestay experience. Simple village life, local food, and warm hospitality. So, honestly, this cannot be replaced by five-star hotel, even though if you pay 5 times more than what you spend here. इस तरीके से पूरा रोड छोटा 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 दिख रहा है, आपको दिख रहा है इधर, बहुत ही सुंदर है इधर। अभी हम लोग चाय पीने के लिए जा रहे हैं। जैकेट पहन के रखो यार। जैकेट नहीं चाहिए, मैंने थर्मल पहना है ना। हेड कवर करो। हाँ बीमार होगे तो बोलना मत। हाँ
नहीं लग रहा है, ठंड नहीं लग रहा है।
थर्मल पहना है, अभी ठंडी नहीं लग रहे हैं।
ठीक है, बराबर।
शीरज है, ये रंजित भाई है, ये हमारा अभिषेक भाई है। अभिषेक बहुत परेशान किया मैंने आगे बैठ के, इसलिए मुझे वो दूसरा गाड़ी पे भेज दिया। Zuluk is all about views, roads, raw mountain beauty. Now we are into sensitive area, what we call Wall of Blessing, Natula. It's an important borderline between India and China. Find here Indian soldiers around this border and guarding, and because of them we are safe. And condition of the weather is extreme, very cold, often covered with the snow. Here is the Baba Harbhajan Singh Mandir. He is known for his emotional and mysterious army story. Baba Harbhajan Singh was an Indian army posted in Natula Pass in the East Sikkim. He lost his life while on his duty in 1968. Over the years, many soldiers believed that he continued protecting the region even after his death. Because of this belief and respect, a memorial known as a Baba Harbhajan Mandir was built in his honor. Today, it is one of the most visited and emotional places on the Silk Route. He reportedly slipped and fell into a fast flowing mountain stream and died during the duty. His body was later recovered in the area. Still, all his belonging has been maintained in the Baba Mandir. But point need to be noted, we are all safe because of all these armies and soldiers. We need to respect them everywhere, wherever we meet them. When we visit places like Baba Harbhajan Singh Mandir, we are reminded of something very important. The life we live comfortably today is because of someone is standing at the border in extreme condition, protecting us every single day. Soldiers leave behind their families, face harsh weather, and risk their lives not for recognition but for the nation. Sometime in our daily lives we may forget their contribution, but places like this make us pause and feel grateful. It is not about comparing people or blaming anyone. It is about remembering the value of their sacrifice and respect. Compared to Gangtok or Darjeeling, it is less commercial. So आपको नेचर अच्छा लगता है, फोटोग्राफ्स लेने को अच्छा लगता है, आपको एक पीसफुल लाइफ चाहिए, ये परफेक्ट चॉइस है। इसके बाद हम लोग चलते चलते नहीं कार से हम लोग आए ऋषिकोला, जो मार्केट देखने के लिए। मार्केट कंपेयर टू बॉम्बे मुझे काफ़ी सस्ता भी लगा, एंड वहाँ ज़्यादा कुछ हम लोग को लोकल कोई आइटम मिला नहीं है ऋषिकोला में। एक अलग तरीके का हम लोग को काकड़ी या कुकुम्बर मिला और लहसुन मिला, एंड थोड़ा सा तंडी का जो टॉवल वगैरह हम लोग को मिला। अदरवाइज बाकी कुछ मिला नहीं है। वहाँ से हम लोग आए सिलेरी गांव, ए स्मॉल पीसफुल विलेज नियर कलिम्पोंग. It is often called New Darjeeling because of calm vibe and stunning views. इस गांव में एक पॉइंट है कहाँ आपको कंचनजुंगा का कंप्लीट सनराइज दिखाई देगा. इट्स परफेक्ट टू वॉच कंचनजुंगा. मेरी सबसे पसंद की जगह है रमटे व्यू पॉइंट. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्पॉट टू सी Tista river curves. ट्रिप का सबसे डिसअपॉइंटेड पॉइंट इज एनजीपी और हावड़ा स्टेशन का हालत इतना खराब है. अभी तक पूरा बारिश स्टार्ट भी नहीं हुआ, उसका पहले ही पार्किंग जगह आप एनजेपी में देखेगा तो रियली फील आपको इतना गंदगी लगेगा. सेम जो सिचुएशन है हावड़ा का, आप उसमें पता चलता है जो भी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, जो भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी कितना पैसा खाया रहेगा पब्लिक का, एंड पब्लिक को फ्री में देना है, ज़ीरो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर करना है, बाकी का सब पैसा अपना घर पे लेके जाना है. यही किया है ये सब पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. इसके बावजूद भी हमारा लोग सुधरते नहीं हैं. ये लोग क्रिमिनल को सिलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. इलेक्शन के टाइम एक थोड़ा सा कोई भी आपको पैसा दे दिया, उनको सिलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. एनीवे, अभी मैं बॉम्बे पहुंच गई. अपना देश, अपना जगह ही प्यार होता है. मैं